This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will first confirm prerequisites: an account, notification channels, and API/webhook access. Start by signing in and enabling push or Telegram alerts. Then you set baseline filters, pick the blockchains you care about, and a minimum dollar threshold so you avoid noise. Once done, connect the app to a third-party viewer or your own webhook if you plan automation. Make sure to save API keys securely and test one sample alert to confirm delivery before continuing. Now you fine-tune how Whale Alert reports events. You add token and address watch lists to focus on whales you care about and set alert types: transfers, swaps, or contract calls. Then configure granularity. Choose a minimum size, percentage of supply moved, or repeated sender detection to flag suspicious patterns. Once configured, make sure to group channels by priority and reduce duplicates with deduplication or cooldown windows. Test scenarios with known transactions to verify filter behavior. Finish by securing and validating integrations. Confirm webhooks receive payloads, ensure your API keys have correct scopes, and check rate limits so you don't miss events. Once active, monitor the first 24 to 72 hours for false positives and tune thresholds or watched addresses. If alerts stop, verify permissions in your device or channel, check for IP blocking or exhausted rate limits, and restart the connection. Most problems resolve by reauthorizing the key and replaying a known transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.